make it good. I'm going home.
Do the bloody dishes. And there's gonna be a dish duty man. This ain't right.
Oh yeah, Chitoy. You know, I hope he doesn't smoke again.
Then we'll have a meeting about it.
Serious
We'll
now.
just talk about it later.
We needed to just lay down the rules because a lot of other people just get all, I don't feel like washing the dishes, or they pretend not to have washed the dishes.
Before anything, guys, I'd just like to officially call on the first Hollywood Boot Camp town meeting. It officially starts now.
All right.
Right?
Okay, number 1, grocery list.
Should've put it in.
Whoever,
Mashed potatoes, man. Those instant ones.
Microwave one.
Brilliant.
Yeah, microwave ones.
Comic timing is brilliant.
Basic.
I don't want anything that we have to fry.
Bacon?
Why?
Oh wait. Chitoy's a cool guy. I like his humor. He's a funny guy, yeah. Everything he says makes me laugh.
Well, you're not frying anything anyway, so...
That's why I said I don't want anything that we have to fry.
But we can fry it. I mean,
That's what.
There's something about Denise, there's this little innocence about her, and you can see that she's really fighting to change. She wants to be something better, but she's got this kind of repressed... It's sad. Duties! How about duties?
The rules are there so that everything's fair. You can't walk around, feeling you're superior to everyone and not follow the rules. Yeah. What makes you think you're so special?
Because I don't want to wash other people's dishes. It's not fair. I always wash
No,
my
but
own.
hey, honestly, I mean, Shireen, have you been washing all the dishes? Your own dishes?
I have washed my dishes, and I've been washing other people's dishes as well many times.
Really?
Don't you dare! Just today I was in a hurry in the bathroom. Just today I was in a hurry in the bathroom.
You have to raise your voice, man.
Because everyone's raising their voice in my ears. I'm in between everyone.
You want to...
No, okay.
She's washing the dishes, man. Okay, you're so smart.
No, I don't.
You're always smiling.
No, I'm not. Because I'm trying to make light of the situation. I'm trying to make it easy for everybody.
Okay, it's solved. So
Trying to find a
let's move on.
solution. For someone who doesn't wash dishes, okay, or who doesn't want to wash everybody's dishes, you're in the bathroom for an hour and a half.
I spent 10 minutes for the past couple of days. I have accommodated everyone. I've adapted. I've been doing stuff in the room instead. For the past couple of days, if you notice, I've only been doing 10 minutes.
Okay, well, that's good. That's good.
And the funny part is, anytime when I go to the bathroom, people want to take a leak. I've asked everyone, anyone take a leak? No. When I go in, as soon as I'm naked, somebody wants to go to the bathroom. What's up with that?
I don't know.
Especially you. And then when I got up, you got a vinegar cam on my face.
It wasn't me.
It was you. I saw you. You don't look like anyone here.
It wasn't me.
It gets a little irritating that we have to wait online for the loo. The girls take their time, putting on their makeup and all of this, and yeah, it's tough. And now there's another thing also. Someone's gonna have to scrub the bath, the tub and the sink, and
Yeah, dude. What's up with that?
2 for
The
3.
bathroom, you compare to the kitchen. I mean, the kitchen is nothing. All you do is wipe and you're done. The bathroom, you got the freaking toilet
You gotta
and
mop the
sink.
kitchen, clean
You
the
have to
stove.
mop
But
it
still, at the end of the day, you still have the toilet.
Come on,
We're gonna do the bathroom.
To the bathroom.
That is it so far.
Meeting adjourned.